It was really hard finding a tree that would look great as a bonsai, but since I didn't want to go home with empty hands, I decided to pick this one up and make a formal upright tree out of it. Make sure to leave a bit of soil around the base of the tree. And cutting the last root. To transport the root ball, I simply put it in a trash bag. Remove some excess soil. And there you have it. Before leaving, make sure to fill up the hole with some leaves and soil. Make sure to untangle the roots. To fill up empty spaces between the roots, I simply use a chopstick. Make sure to give it a lot of water. Since I'm using bonsai soil, the excess water will drain anyway. As you can see, the tree already has a natural gin on the top. Here's a closer look at it. The tree looked too big for my liking, so I decided to chop off the upper part. And this is the end result. New buds have appeared all over the trunk. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did filming it.